At Christmas, we are hopefully heading down to Tasmania to visit my sister. I decided to make some gnomes out of pine cones for her Christmas tree. You'll need some pine cones, some strong thread, some beads for the nose, some pom-poms, some white felt, and some strong thread. I hand sewed the little hats together, starting by wrapping the felt around the pine cones to get the correct size. I sewed the string to hang them with into the tip. Once this was done, I decided to spray paint the pine cones. I then used a glue gun to glue them on, fitting the nose in snugly. I glued the pom-poms onto the tip and used a small amount of white fur to trim the hat. And there you have it, all done. Happy crafting, everyone!